high. For the KTM 390 Adventure R, X and Enduro, we designed a compact and functional replacement for the bulky OEM passenger footpeg brackets. Perun Moto Heel Guards remove unnecessary weight while adding functionality. Each side weighs only 140 grams, including mounting hardware, making them a lightweight and purposeful upgrade. Inside the box, you'll find everything needed for the installation. The kit includes a pair of heel guards, left and right, along with M8 button head bolts and flat washers. Beyond weight reduction, heel guards provide a clean and reliable lower tie-down point for rackless luggage systems. The angle of the slots is optimized for the most common rackless setups, ensuring natural strap routing and secure mounting. We have tested them with bags from Mosko Moto, Kriega, Giant Loop and Enduristan. The top slot features a unique quick-release cutout designed for 1-inch or 25mm straps. This lets you attach and remove straps quickly without having to thread the entire strap through the slot. Heel guards are machined in-house from 6mm aluminum magnesium alloy. They are CNC milled and bent using custom tooling, ensuring precise fit and high structural integrity. All edges are chamfered and smoothly finished to reduce strap wear and improve durability. Button head bolts keep the surface low profile and boot friendly, so nothing interferes with your riding position. Each set is finished with a high-quality matte black powder coat with an anodized look. That's it for this overview of the Perun Moto Heel Guards for the KTM 390 Adventure R, X and Enduro. Thanks for watching and, as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.